Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am RAKESH, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to create the given model in CATIA V5. Let us take this model 1. Uh, First we need to construct this 2D sketch in the sketcher workbench, then exit from this workbench and apply the pad for this sketch. You can see here four circles are there. One circle diameter 45, another circle radius 40. In the right side also have we two circles. The small circle diameter 20 mm, the outside circle radius is 20 mm. The distance between these two concentric circles is 130 mm. With the help of line tangent, we need to join these two concentric circles. Let us see how to construct this figure in CATIA V5 software. First, open CATIA V5 software, file, new. From the list of types, you can choose part, then click OK. In the specification tree, it's showing three different types of planes. Among these, I'm choosing this YZ plane. Then click on sketch tool. With the help of profile toolbar, we need to construct that four circles. Now I'm choosing the circuit tool. For repeating the same tool in the future, just you can double click on this tool. I'm going to construct four circles. These two are concentric circles, and the same horizontal axis I need to construct one more concentric circle. Now apply the constraints with the help of constraint tool. You can see this is the constraint tool, dimensional constraint. Double click on this constraint tool. Now apply the dimensions for these four circles. The small circle diameter is 45. This outside circle diameter is radius 40. This is the 45 diameter. Next, this outside circle diameter is radius is 45, so diameter is 90. Then click OK. Now apply the dimension to these two circles. The small circle diameter is 20 mm. Then this outside circle diameter is radius is 20, so you can take diameter 40 mm. Then click OK. Now give the distance between these two concentric circles, that is 130 mm. With the help of constant dimensional constraint, give the dimension between distance between these two concentric circles. Let us choose these two center points back to bottom. The distance is 130 mm. Now this these four circles are fully constrained. Now join these circles by using line tangent. You can access from this line tangent from line tool. The third tool is second. You can say line, infinite line, by tangent line. With the help of this by tangent line, you can join these two. Now you can join these outside two circles, first one and second one. Similarly, you can select this circle and this circle for bottom. With the help of trim tool, you can remove the unwanted curves and lines. You can access that option from relimitation tools, quick trim. You can also access from insert, operation, relimitations, quick trim. Now remove this curve portion and this curve portion. This is the given 2D sketch. After completion of this 2D sketch, you can exit from this workbench. Now you can choose pad tool. You can also access from insert sketch basic feature. The first one is pad tool. Here warning is that the current in work object is not in a body. The new solid feature is created after the last feature of the part body. If the part body is not added in specification tree, you need to, before going to draw, initially you need to add one part body. Otherwise, just you can click OK. Now pad definition dialog box is appear. Uh, Now with the help of length you can apply the thickness of that object. Then click preview. Then click OK. This is the final object for the given figure. This is the procedure to create the given model number 1. Let us see the second model. This is the second model number 2. For that model, I'm going to create new file, that is part. Then click OK. In the specification tree, I am choosing now I am choosing ZX plane. Then click sketch tool. You can see here, this is the symmetrical object, so that's why I'm going to construct this circle, diameter 75 circle, and radius 60 circle, and right side this circle is 30 mm diameter, another circle radius 25, with the help of circle tool. Now I'm going to double click on this circle tool. The first circle, next second circle, on the horizontal axis I am going to construct two more circles, first circle and second circle. Next, with the help of now click on escape button. With the help of constraint tool, I am going to give the dimensions. This diameter 75, this is the radius 60, this small circle diameter 30, this radius 25. First circle diameter 75. Just you can double click for change the dimension 75. Next one, this circle radius 60 mm, so diameter 120 mm. Next, small circle, this circle diameter 30 mm, this circle radius 25, so diameter 50. Now give the distance between these two concentric circles, that is 200 by 2, so that is 100. Let us choose this center point and this concentric circle center point, drag to bottom. The length is 100 mm. Now we need to join these outside circles by using by tangent line. You can access from line tool, that is available in profile toolbar. By tangent line, select this circle and this circle. Similarly, select this circle and this circle. Now we need to remove the unwanted curves and lines by using quick trim. This tool is available in relimitation tools. This curve and this curve. Next, you can see the figure. This is a symmetrical with respect to y-axis, so that's why I am choosing this right side portion, this line, curve, and this line, and this circle. Go to the insert, operation, transformation. The first tool is mirror with respect to vertical axis. Now remove the unwanted curves with the help of quick trim. This is the final 2D sketch, the given 2D sketch. After completion of this 2D sketch, you can exit from this workbench, then choose pad tool. You can apply the length, then click preview. OK. With the help of rotation toolbar, you can see the image in the 360 degrees. This is the model number 2. This is the model number 1 and that is the model number 2. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.